Now answering the question of why कि कंट्रीज अचानक अपना गोल्ड मांग क्यों रही है. Few days back, Bank of England ने एक स्टेटमेंट रिलीज किया that it will take 4 to 8 weeks to return gold, जबकि UK laws require it to be delivered within 14 days. These walls are believed to be very secure and trusted, but today we see some cracks. Well, let's start by knowing कि ऐसी कौन सी situations है that have raised eyebrows. Hello and welcome back to our segment of Weekly Scoop with Ocean Finvest. Imagine you walk into your bank to withdraw your money, but the teller says, "Sorry ma'am, but थोड़ा time लगेगा," and by the time it means weeks. Panic mode, right? Because it's your own money, then why the delay? Now picture this happening at a global scale, but with gold. Countries around the world are knocking on the doors of Bank of England asking for their own gold back, and they are being told it will take a few weeks. But why? Is the gold actually there? Or is it being used somewhere else? And more importantly, the question is कि क्यों suddenly ये situation इतनी limelight में है? So the truth is, this isn't just about gold. It's about power, trust, and the potential to shake up the global financial system. Let's connect the dots and first start with the vaults holding the world's reserves. For decades, two key institutions have been the biggest custodians of gold. एक है Bank of England and एक Fort Knox. Bank of England holds about 8,400 metric tons, जिनमें से most of it belongs to other nations. And Fort Knox stores about 4,500 metric tons, which is only 56% of America's total reserves. Matlab, Fort Knox holds only US gold, unlike Bank of England, which holds gold of a lot of other countries. These walls are believed to be very secure and trusted, but today we see some cracks. Well, let's start by knowing कि ऐसी कौन सी situations है that have raised eyebrows. Few days back, Bank of England ने एक statement release किया that it will take 4 to 8 weeks to return gold, जबकि UK laws require it to be delivered within 14 days. मतलब almost more than double. And Fort Knox, I will tell you one shocking fact. Since 1974, Fort Knox का full comprehensive audit हुआ ही नहीं है. Means since 50 years, no full audit has been done. No wonder Donald Trump has made this very strong statement. We are going to open the doors. I am going to see if we have gold there. Did anybody steal gold from Fort Knox?
We do want to look. I mean, we hope everything's fine with Fort Knox, but we're going to go to Fort Knox, the fabled Fort Knox, and make sure the gold is there.
And these statements have further raised concerns. Okay, so we know that countries want their gold back, but which countries and why? Well, our India is leading the charge. India in 2024 itself reclaimed 200 metric tons of gold from London, its biggest move since the 90s. So out of 850 tons of our reserves, 500 tons तो घर पे ही है. India के अलावा other countries like Nigeria, Romania and Serbia are also pulling reserves, while Turkey is stacking up gold fast, adding 130 metric tons alone in the last 2 years. All of this signal to just one thing: trust less and control more. Famous economist Jim Rickards has also raised significant concerns.
But here's the bigger question, the much more important question, and it gets back to what you were talking about, Danielle, with these deliveries from London. Is that gold leased?
Now answering the question of why कि countries अचानक अपना gold मांग क्यों रही है, I'll give you 4 reasons. First, geopolitical risk. Sanctions have made gold abroad a liability. I mean, Russia lost access to its 300 billion of gold reserves. It is like at the time of crisis, तुम अपना ही gold use नहीं कर सकते हो. Second is dollar distrust. The US is weaponizing the dollar with sanctions, pushing countries like China, India and Russia to shift to gold instead. Because एक point के बाद, if Trump starts imposing sanctions on gold too, then if we want to bring back our own gold, it will become costly for us. Third is debt and inflation fears. The US owes $35 trillion in debt, but only 2.2% of it is backed by gold. Compare this to 40% during World War II. With debt piling and inflation creeping in, it is like they are playing Jenga with our own money. And last and main red flag है हमारे custodians. If gold actually vaults में है, तो deliveries इतनी slow क्यों है? And well, due to all this gold fiasco, one more thing getting impacted is the bond markets. Let's zoom in on the US and China. What is China doing is that it is dumping US bonds left, right and center and stacking gold. Basically, it has reduced bond holdings from 1.27 trillion in 2014 to just 767 billion in 2024. And दूसरी side पे it has added 1,200 metric tons of gold since 2015. अब how this impact bond yields? In last 2 years itself, it has sold $100 billion of US bonds. Now bonds के supply बढ़ने से prices are falling and yields are continuously rising. Now why does this matter? If bond yields rise too much, borrowing costs skyrocket. real estate, businesses, and even stock markets take a hit. And if China keeps dumping US bonds, US market could face a liquidity crisis. So what can happen next? अगर गोल्ड $3,000 पर आउंस क्रॉस करता है और बॉन्ड डील्स 5% तक चले जाते हैं, then we can face a credit crunch, जिसमें businesses and households will struggle with high borrowing costs. Also, we can face a weaker dollar. If more countries dump US dollars, then obviously the dollar will weaken. So we have many huge unanswered questions. Fort Knox की real inventory क्या है? What will India do of its remaining reserves with Bank of England? Will China's bond sell-off trigger a debt crisis? One thing is clear, gold isn't just about jewelry, it's about power. And the next few years could reshape the financial order and gold will be at the center of it all. That's it for today and keep an eye on gold. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.